Hello everyone, friends. Today I will show you what to do if Steam is not installed. Well, first let's try to download the installer. Right in the Steam browser, go in, click Install Steam, click Install Steam. The installation file is downloaded, right? Open it. So we open it to begin with as an administrator. Let's start with this. Here, click and try to install. If you don't install it through the administrator name, try disabling Windows antivirus. To do this, go to the settings, go to security and privacy, Windows security, protection against viruses and threats, and during the installation of Steam, disable all the sliders in this way. And try to install it again. Here, by the way, there may be one more problem in the installation. That's when you install, yes, that is, choose the path here, where Steam will be, so that there are no characters here except English. That is, I have an E drive and a Steam drive. That is, yes, I don't have any more, respectively, well, other branches, yes, installation. That's why try to install the root folder, yes, always with English characters. That is, so that there are no Chinese, Korean, Russian, or Arabic symbols in the installation path, because of this, the installation will not take place. And click install and everything will work. That's all. LR was with you. Bye, everyone.